This short demonstration shows how to look at the Entron iPAK2v2 medium frequency welding timer status messages, including the results of the last weld completed using the matrix window option via the NetFlash programming software. On the Edit Control Parameters toolbar, select the matrix window icon. The floating window should now be visible. This matrix window displays the following information: the last program used and the results of the following parameters: pre-weld current if used, main weld current if used, post-weld current if used, force feedback if used, and the percentage pulse width used to make the weld. All iPAK2v2 faults are displayed in the Errors section. This example displays the message low main current. The welding errors can be reset by selecting the fault reset icon. Now select Continue, and the low main current error will be cleared and the iPAK2v2 status shows ready. Thank you for watching this short Entron iPAK2v2 NetFlash demonstration. Entron Controls has 3 manufacturing and support sites which are based in the UK, USA and Mexico. For more information, visit our website www.entroncontrols.com.